Today we'll make classic Indian flatbread roti. I'll show you three versions of roti, chapati and fulkas, and you can see how beautifully my rotis have puffed up. Though it is very common in India, we often make it sometimes 2 to 3 times a day. But there are certain tips and tricks that can reduce your effort of making such smooth and nice rotis. You can see in the screen how beautiful and soft my rotis are. And these rotis are very healthy as we are using whole wheat flour. Do give it a try and you will love them. These are classics for any Indian households. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my videos so much and liking my work so much. So let's begin. First I have taken a bowl here. In it I'll add 2 cups of whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा, what we call, and I am taking here 2 cups. I'll add salt around half teaspoon and water I have taken here 1 cup. So we just need these 3 ingredients. You can also add 1 teaspoon of oil if you want, but I have skipped that, but it's completely upon your choice. You can add, it makes rotis more moist. So what I'll do, I'll add first half cup of water and I'll start mixing all the ingredients. I will not knead them initially. I'll just use my hands to mix all the ingredients till the dough comes together. This process is my special tip. Initially when we mix the ingredients and then we keep it for rest, this reduces our effort by 50%. I'll just show you. I'll add water little by little till all the ingredients comes together. What I mean is that there is no extra dough left on the base. Now when you see everything has come together nicely, now I'll use my hand and start kneading to make a rough dough. The dough need to be smooth at this stage. See, I'll just make a rough dough and now I'll cover it and let it rest for good 10 minutes. If you have time, you can rest for 15 minutes, and if you don't have time, 5 minutes will also do, but 10 to 15 minutes you should rest this dough. I'll just show you after 10 minutes why I am asking you to rest this dough for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now start kneading the dough. We just need to knead this dough for only 1 minute. See, the kneading time has decreased to just 1 minute and yet the result will be marvelous. Start kneading and after 1 minute you will see the dough has become velvety smooth. See, I am showing you there are no cracks in the dough and the dough is looking lovely. It has come together so nicely. This is the magic of resting the dough, and this process is my special tip and it reduces the effort by almost 60 to 70%. So now I will squeeze out small balls to make rotis, and from the same dough I'll show you how to make rotis, fulkas and chapatis. Now I'll roll one ball in between my palms to smooth them. Make sure there are no cracks on the ball of dough. Medium balls, you can also do this on the plate in this way. So now let's start making the rotis. So I'll take one ball of dough and I'll first take some plain flour to dust it. Take some flour and dust on the rolling surface, and now just cover the ball with the flour and I'll flatten the edges using my palm. Basically I'll take this dough and I'll start pressing between my fingers and palm. I'll just show you again. See what I have done. I'll just place it between my fingers and palm and I'll start pressing the edges gently so that this dough forms a shape of a round pancake like structure. So basically this process does 2 things. First, it helps in rolling out the dough to look more even and rounder, and secondly the consistency is uniform, neither thick nor thin. So now start rolling clockwise direction from the edges and automatically this roti will slide You can also use some more flour if it's not sliding. See, sprinkle some flour again and start rolling further. Make sure you do this process in one direction, that is clockwise. And if you are not a pro in making this rotis, do not worry, just make a larger one, and then you can take some cutter, ring cutter, or any ball you must be having in your kitchen and cut out one round roti. See, in this process my one roti is done. Dust off some excess flour if there is any flour on the roti. The same way I'll prepare another roti. Squeeze out a ball and keep between your palms and make a round and smooth ball in this way. Make sure there are no cracks, and in the same way apply some flour and start flattening it using your fingers and palms, and then use this rolling pin to roll out round and even rotis. And making rotis is very common in India, but if you are trying to make rotis or you are not an expert in this, do not worry, eventually this sets in. And as because we do it quite often in India, so it's common for us, but for anybody who is not used to it, this takes time. So just have patience. My all rotis are done. Now let's start cooking this rotis. First I'll show you how to cook the roti. Turn on the gas and heat a tawa on high flame, then place the roti on the tawa and wait for 3 to 4 seconds, and after 3 to 4 seconds flip to the other side. I have used my hands, but you can always use a spatula. Now take a cotton kitchen towel and start pressing the edges. You will see the roti has started to puff, and now again flip it over and press the edges and the roti will automatically puff. So this is roti basically that we puff on the tawa. Next we'll do fulka. Fulka is same as roti, just we'll puff it on direct stove. If the tawa is too hotted, just reduce the flame to medium high. Place the roti on tawa, flip after 5 seconds. Let the other side cook properly. Just check it in this way. And fulka is half done here. Remove from tawa and cook the upper portion directly on the flame. Fulka will puff immediately. Be careful as it is filled with steam, and remove once it is puffed completely. I have used a chimta here. So next I'll using a stand. I'll make the fulka using a stand. In the same way I'll place the roti on the tawa, and after 3 to 4 seconds I'll use a spatula to flip it over. Let the other side cook properly. Press the edges using a spatula. And now I'll use this kind of stand that is used to puff rotis. Fulka is half done here. Now remove and place it on direct stove on the stand. My fulka is ready here. Next I'll prepare chapati. For that I'll reduce the flame to medium high if the tawa is heated, and then I'll place one roti on the tawa. Cook for 3 to 4 seconds and again flip using a spatula. Then I have taken some oil or ghee according to your choice, then apply on the upper surface of the roti, spread evenly, and then flip immediately and apply some more oil or ghee. Press using a spatula and see the roti will start puffing up. Flip 1 to 2 times and cook by pressing. And this chapati is usually very soft. You can fold it, and basically chapatis are used to carry in tiffin box as they are very smooth. So 3 types of variant: roti, fulkas and chapati is done. I have served this awesome dishes with some basic potato and onions fry, and as I will show you, this roti are super soft. How beautifully the layers have separated. Enjoy with this beautiful potato and onions fry. I'll show you how soft these rotis are. I'll fold it 2 to 3 times. Basically I'll squeeze them, yet the roti will be round and the shape will be intact. It's because it is so soft and moist. I hope you have liked the video. Do give this recipe a try. Share with your family and friends, and do use my special tips and trick. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.